Hey kids, get ready for a splashy ocean adventure. Today, we'll explore lots of amazing sea creatures, learn cool science facts about them, and see how they look both as cute toys and in real life.
Hermit crab.
Hermit crabs have soft bodies, so they protect themselves by living inside empty snail shells. As they grow, hermit crabs must find and move into bigger shells, sometimes even swapping with other crabs.
Walrus.
Walruses have large bodies, long tusks, and thick blubber for warmth. They live in icy regions, rest on ice floes, and dive for clams and shellfish.
Lobster.
Lobsters have a hard shell and large, strong claws used for gripping and defense. Lobsters hide in rocky burrows on the seafloor, hunt mainly at night, and can regrow lost claws or legs.
Starfish.
Starfish have 5 thick arms with tiny suction tubes underneath. They can regrow lost limbs and feed on small creatures attached to rocks.
Sea otter.
Sea otters have webbed feet and strong tails that help them swim swiftly in the ocean. When resting or sleeping, sea otters sometimes wrap themselves in kelp to keep from drifting away.
Triton trumpet.
The triton's trumpet has a long brown spiral shell and a soft body, living on muddy or sandy bottoms. They burrow, move slowly, and feed on decaying plant matter and microorganisms.
Lionfish.
Lionfish displays long, flowing fins like a lion's mane with striking red and white stripes. It is a venomous predator that lives around coral reefs, moving slowly but dangerously.
Sea sponge.
Sea sponges are simple animals without bones, brains, or hearts, and their bodies are full of tiny holes. They stay fixed in one place and pump water through their bodies to filter out food and oxygen.
Seahorse.
Seahorses have horse-like heads and swim upright using their dorsal fins. Males carry the eggs in a pouch until they hatch, a rare trait among animals.
Dolphin.
Dolphins have sleek gray bodies with a curved dorsal fin. They live in pods, are highly intelligent, and communicate using clicks and whistles.
Stingray.
Stingrays have flat bodies and long tails, often with a sharp spine for defense. They are effective ambush hunters, hiding under sand or mud to surprise prey. Stingrays also give birth to live young instead of laying eggs.
Sea lion.
Sea lion has smooth skin, small visible ears, and can move gracefully both on land and in water. They live in groups, are highly intelligent, and often rest on rocks or piers along the coast.
Octopus.
Giant octopuses have 8 long, powerful arms covered with suction cups. They are clever hunters that can change color and texture to blend into their surroundings and surprise prey.
Shrimp.
Shrimp have long, slender bodies with many legs and long antennae. They live near the seabed, feeding on organic debris and serving as food for larger fish.
Atlantic swordfish.
Swordfish have long, streamlined bodies and a pointed sword-like bill that helps them cut through water. They are fast predators, hunting small fish and squid, and travel widely across the ocean to find food.
Oyster.
Oysters have hard, rough shells that protect their soft bodies inside. Oysters stay in one place, attached to rocks or reefs, and clean the water by filtering tiny plankton.
Vampire squid.
Vampire squid has dark red in color with webbing between its arms, forming a cloak-like shape and glows in the dark. It lives in deep, low-oxygen waters and feeds on drifting organic debris instead of hunting prey.
Tuna.
Tuna are large, fast-swimming fish with strong, streamlined bodies built for speed. They can travel long distances across the ocean and are warm-blooded, which helps them swim powerfully in cold waters.
Coral.
Corals are tiny animals that build hard skeletons, forming colorful reefs in the ocean. Coral reefs provide shelter and food for thousands of sea creatures, making them one of the most important ecosystems on Earth.
Sea urchin.
Sea urchins have round bodies with long, sharp spines, usually purple, brown, or green, living on rocky or coral bottoms. They cling to rocks, move slowly, and graze on algae and small organisms.
Feather star.
Feather star has many thin, feather-like arms in bright yellow, red, or orange, spreading out beautifully. It clings to rocks or coral and uses its arms to filter tiny food particles from the water.
Weedy sea dragon.
The weedy sea dragon has a long body with leaf-like fins that help it blend in with seaweed. A special trait is that males carry the eggs on their tails until they hatch, keeping them safe.
Anchovy.
Anchovies are small silver fish with slender bodies that swim in large groups. They travel in huge schools for protection, and their bodies shine together like a moving silver cloud in the sea.
Pearl oyster.
Pearl oyster has two hard, silvery shells with a shiny inner surface. Lives on the seabed and forms pearls when a foreign object enters, coating it with nacre over time.
Sawfish.
Sawfish have long bodies and saw-like snouts with teeth on the edges. They use their snouts to stun prey, living near estuaries or shallow waters.
Shark.
Sharks have long bodies, sharp teeth, and an excellent sense of smell for hunting. They are top predators, swim fast, and migrate seasonally in search of food.
Beluga whale.
Beluga whales are small white whales with rounded foreheads and no dorsal fins. They are very social, living in groups called pods, and can make many sounds. That's why people call them the canaries of the sea.
Walrus.
Walruses have large bodies, long tusks, and thick blubber for warmth. They live in icy regions, rest on ice floes, and dive for clams and shellfish.
Butterfly fish.
Butterfly fish have flat bodies, bright colors, and distinctive patterns for display or camouflage. They live around coral reefs, feeding on small invertebrates and plankton, often swimming in pairs or small groups.
Narwhal.
Narwhals are whales with a long spiral tusk that looks like a unicorn's horn. Narwhals live in icy Arctic waters and use sound echoes to find food deep under the ice.
Marlin.
Marlins have long, spear-like snouts and powerful, streamlined bodies. They migrate long distances and hunt deep-sea prey.
Clownfish.
Clownfish are small orange fish with 3 white stripes. They live symbiotically with sea anemones, protected by a special mucus layer.
Mantis shrimp.
Mantis shrimps are colorful crustaceans with many legs and strong front claws. Mantis shrimps are fierce hunters, striking their prey as fast as a weapon, and they're also highly nutritious, with sweet meat rich in protein, calcium, and omega-3.
Sea turtle.
Sea turtles have hard shells and flipper-like limbs for long-distance swimming. They migrate thousands of kilometers and return to their birthplace to lay eggs.